Ever wondered why we snore? Snoring happens when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. When you're asleep, the muscles in your throat relax. This can cause the tissues in your throat to collapse and partially block your airway. As air tries to pass through this narrowed airway, it causes the tissues to vibrate, producing that familiar snoring sound. Your sleeping position can also affect snoring. Sleeping on your back makes it easier for your tongue and soft tissues to block your airway. So, next time you hear someone snoring, you'll know it's just their body's way of trying to keep the air flowing.